Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to write professional, clear and effective emails using ChatGPT. Whether it's for work, school or personal use, let's make your email writing super easy. First, open your browser or ChatGPT application. If you're using your browser, just go to chat.openai.com, and if you don't have an account yet, sign up using your Google or email ID. Once you are in, you will see a chat box. This is where all the magic happens. So in the chat box, simply type what kind of email you want to write. For example, you can say, write a formal email to my manager requesting a leave for 2 days, or write a friendly email to my teacher thanking her for her guidance. Now ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete email for you within seconds. To make your email sound exactly the way you want, be specific with your prompt. For example, you can add make it sound polite and concise, or add a professional subject line. The more details you give, the better ChatGPT can personalize your email. Let's go with this. Once ChatGPT writes your email, review it carefully. If you like it, just copy the text and paste it into your Gmail or Outlook Compose box. You can also ask ChatGPT to shorten, simplify, or rewrite parts of the email. For example, you can try adding make it sound more confident or add a thank you line at the end. You can even use ChatGPT to create subject lines like suggest 5 catchy email subjects for a job application. Or write email replies like reply politely to customer complaint about late delivery. It's like having your personal writing assistant anytime, anywhere. You can also use voice input to say your prompt out loud and it will write the email for you instantly. And that's how you write and customize emails easily using ChatGPT for work, study or daily use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.